Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Yes, an Android device can text an iPhone using standard SMS text messages. Despite the different operating systems, texting between Android and iPhone is seamless for users. However, Android users won't have access to iMessage features like read receipts and full-resolution media sharing when texting an iPhone. Instead, messages will be sent over SMS or MMS, which can incur carrier charges depending on your plan. For a richer messaging experience cross-platform, consider using third-party apps like WhatsApp or Telegram that offer features like end-to-end encryption, media sharing, and group chats.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.